Welcome back. Today we're going to learn 7 new Tagalog words for days of the week. When a Filipino asks you a question that requires a day of the week as a response, you can impress them when you reply to them in Tagalog. Let's begin. Monday, Lunes, Lunes, Lunes. Used in a sentence, my birthday is on Monday. Kaarawan ko sa Lunes. Tuesday, Martes, Martes, Martes. My birthday is on Tuesday. Kaarawan ko sa Martes. Wednesday, Miyerkules, Miyerkules, Miyerkules. My birthday is on Wednesday. Kaarawan ko sa Miyerkules. Thursday, Huwebes, Huwebes, Huwebes. My birthday is on Thursday. Kaarawan ko sa Huwebes. Friday, Biyernes, Biyernes, Biyernes. My birthday is on Friday. Kaarawan ko sa Biyernes. Saturday, Sabado, Sabado, Sabado. My birthday is on Saturday. Kaarawan ko sa Sabado. Sunday, Linggo, Linggo, Linggo. My birthday is on Sunday. Kaarawan ko sa Linggo. There you have it. 7 new Tagalog words for weekdays that you can add to your ever-growing list of Tagalog words. If you found this video extremely valuable, please give us a like and please subscribe to the channel and comment in the comment section below if you have any suggestions or comments or feedback, or if there's a particular set of Tagalog words that you would like to learn first. Remember, practice makes progress and repetition is key. See you in the next class. Salamat!